Hello, Emily.
Hi, Paul. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very excited for this episode.
I am happy to hear that, Emily. You look very cheerful today. Did you have your coffee?
Yes, I did. I have a nice cup of coffee. It smells delicious. And you, Paul, how are you today?
I am doing great. The sun is shining, and it is a perfect day to talk about our new topic.
Oh, yes. Today we have a very useful topic. We are talking about how to ask for directions in English.
Wow, that is very helpful. Sometimes when you're in a new city, it can be confusing to find your way.
Exactly, Paul. But don't worry, we are here to help.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel so you don't miss any new episodes.
And share this episode with your friends and family. Maybe someone is traveling soon and needs English practice.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Emily, let's start. Vocabulary for asking directions. When I'm in a new city, sometimes I don't know what to say. What are the first words I need to know?
First, you need some important phrases. For example, excuse me, to get someone's attention politely. Can you help me? To ask for assistance. Where is? To ask the location of a place. How do I get to? To ask another way, ask directions.
Okay, so I can say, excuse me, can you help me? Where is the bus station?
Perfect, Paul. That is polite and clear.
Asking about distance and time. Sometimes I want to know how far something is. How do I ask that?
You can ask, is it far? How long does it take to get there? Is it within walking distance?
So if I'm at a train station and want to visit the museum, I can ask, excuse me, how long does it take to walk to the museum?
Exactly. Very natural English.
Understanding directions. Okay, I ask a person, they give me directions. Sometimes it is confusing.
Yes, directions often use words like left, right, straight, go straight, corner, intersection, traffic lights, crosswalk.
Can you give an example?
Sure, imagine someone says, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic lights. The bank is on your right.
Ah, so blocks are the spaces between streets, right?
Yes, and on your right means the place will be on the right side as you walk.
Polite phrases and clarifying. Sometimes people speak too fast or I don't understand. What should I say?
That is very common. You can say politely, excuse me, can you repeat that, please? Can you say that slowly? I don't understand. Can you show me on a map?
That is very helpful. So communication is more important than perfection.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Role play practice. Let's practice a small conversation. Imagine I am a tourist and you are giving directions.
Okay, go ahead, Paul.
Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the nearest pharmacy?
Sure. Go straight for 1 block, then turn right. The pharmacy is next to the bakery.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was easy. I feel more confident now.